Rise and shine. Welcome to this yoga morning practice. Gentle sun salutations and flows to awaken the stiff body to help it become more fluid. I'll meet you at the front of the yoga mat in a standing position. Let's awake, let's rise. I'll meet you there. We begin right at the front of our yoga mats, palms forward in Tadasana. We are standing nice and tall, eyes open. Inhale the hands to the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Hands onto the knees. Inhale as the spine lengthens forward. And exhale, bend the knees, plant the hands, and step the feet one by one back to a plank position. Drop the knees, drop the chest, feet together as one, glutes active, palms to the side of the chest. Inhale for cobra. Not too high, keeping the elbows bent and to the side of the body. Exhale, climb onto the knees. Plant the toes under behind you. Lift it up into downward facing dog. We are here high with the hips. Long and strong with the hands. Breath begins to wake up. Bend the knees. Look forward. Step to the front of the mat. One leg at a time. Halfway lift. Press against the knees. Exhale, fold forward, hands connect, bring it up to the sky. Inhale, find height. Exhale, hands draw a nice circle to the side. Continuing the movement, inhale, float. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift, inhale, rise. Exhale, drop low, hands down, bend the knees, step plank. Let's go for chaturanga. Knees, chest meet the ground. Buttocks active. Inhale for cobra. Elbows bent. Exhale straight into downward facing dog with movement. Bending each knee. Alternating from side to side. Waking up the calf muscles. Waking up the legs. Firing up and kickstarting the breath. Let's bend both knees right above the ground without touching, and then step forward. Flat back, hands on the knees. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold, hands connect, bring it up to the sky. Inhale and rise. Exhale, draw a wide circle. Inhale the hands up once again. Look up, extend and reach. Exhale, drop low. Halfway lift, press against the knees to lengthen the spine to give space. And plank once again. Bend the knees, exhale, step back into your planks. Both knees down, chest down. Chaturanga. Inhalation, cobra. Exhalation, down dog. The right leg opens up to the sky with the hips wide open. Swing the leg, bring it forward. Grab hold of it if you need to. Drop the left knee down. Inhale both hands to the sky. As you exhale, the hips melt low. Keeping a nice, tall and open chest. Keep the breath moving. And let's reset. Both hands down, step back to plank and directly into downward facing dog. Hips are high. Elevate the left leg, hips open sideways and guide it forward. Left leg to the front of your yoga mat. Right knee goes down. Reach with both hands into your Anjaneyasana, low lunge. Keep sinking down with the hips. Keep floating and rising up with the hands. Finding the sunshine within so we can find it without, outside of ourselves. Drop the hands down, step both feet back to plank. Drop the knees, drop the chest. Inhale, float it up. Cobra, remember to keep the buttocks active. Exhale, downward facing dog. The right leg opens up to the sky. Swing it and guide it to the front of the mat. This time we're going to rise into high lunge. Stand tall, bending on the right leg. Keep pushing the leg to enter the hip socket. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, the pelvis suspends and sinks a little low. And twisting it, left hand goes down, right hand to the sky. Release it down. Step both feet back. Chaturanga, knees, chest on the yoga mat. Buttocks firm, inhale for cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg rises to the sky. Swing it, step it to the front. High crescent lunge. Both hands lift. Sink the hips low. Keep pushing the right knee back towards the rear of the room. Deep inhalation, rise higher with chest. Exhale, twisting. Right hand down, left hand sky. Drop the left hand down. Guide both feet back to plank. Knees down in tabletop. Hands exactly underneath the arms, knees underneath the hips. Inhale, cow pose, back bending, dropping the belly down. Exhale for cat pose, chin in. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat. One more flow. Inhale. Exhale. And release through neutral spine. Bring yourselves to sit onto the heels. Open the knees wide to give you more space to lay down. You can also use a yoga bolster or a cushion to lay onto. The head drops down to the ground. And soaking in all that movement we generated. Soaking into the flows of the body. The flows that prove that we are alive, we are here, we are now. We are blessed to flow and move with yoga on our mats this morning. Blessed to wake up even. Lift up the head in front of you. Rise up onto the knees. Seated back down onto yoga mats in cross-legged. Sitting up tall, eyes wide open, bright smile in both heart and face. I hope this practice helped you wake up so you can become more open and get into your daily routine with more ease. Please subscribe to this digital yoga shala. This helps me to create more videos just like this. I wish you a beautiful day from my heart to yours. Keep shining, keep moving, keep flowing. Namaste.